Sony released the PS4 Pro 3 years after the initial launch of PlayStation 4, and by the looks of it, seems like they're planning the same for the PlayStation 5 console. Rumors and speculations are already crowding the internet, and we might have some solid info on the upcoming PS5 Pro console. In this video, we'll be talking about everything we know so far about the PS5 Pro console to give you a brief idea of what to expect from it. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The rumor steamroll began rolling from a conference hosted by TCL about their upcoming TV technologies. At this event, there was a slide showing current and upcoming consoles generation where we got a sneak peek of the PlayStation 5 Pro. Gen 9.5 console, specifically the PS5 Pro, might be powered by an AMD RX 7700 XT equivalent graphics chip. Although the chip is a myth at this point, TechPower predicts that it will have 18.02 teraflops level performance. Comparatively, the current PS5 runs with 10.3 teraflops, so we are indeed looking at a significant performance boost in the upcoming PS5 Pro, possibly 8K gaming too. Talking about 8K, some believe that the PS5 Pro can do 120 frames per second as well. While this is quite a jaw-dropping speculation, it might be achievable through upscaling wizardry, precisely with AMD's FSR 2.0. PS4 Pro had an MSRP of around $399, which replaced the base model. The current PS5 costs around $499, which is expected to go down soon. Sony might follow the same pattern with the upcoming PS5 Pro as well. Regardless, it solely depends on the cost of internal components and production. As mentioned earlier, Sony refreshes this console every 2 or 3 years, and judging by this, we can expect to see the PS5 Pro by late 2023 or early 2024. We'll be back again with more updates on the PS5 Pro console as soon as it hits the shelves. So, that was all about the upcoming PlayStation 5 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.